Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our day 2 assignment from the unit number 1, the human body, and our today's topic is brain. And students' task is what is the difference between the left side of your cerebrum and the right side. आपको ये बताना है कि जो cerebrum है उसकी लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड में क्या डिफरेंस है. Learn and write in your notebook. First of all, learn it and then write in your notebook. So this is your day 2 assignment. First of all, I am going to tell you about the cerebrum. So here is the word cerebrum. Cerebrum क्या होता है? Cerebrum is the biggest part of your brain. Brain का जो सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा होता है उसको cerebrum कहते हैं. Cerebrum has for the two sides, left side and right side. So here is the diagrammatic representation of cerebrum, right side and the left side. This blue part is representing the right side of the brain, means right side of the cerebrum, and this orange part is representing the left side of brain, means left side of cerebrum. So what is the difference between the left side of your cerebrum and the right side? आपने ये बताना है कि cerebrum की left side और right side में क्या difference है. Now the answer is the right side of your cerebrum controls the left side of your body and the left side of your cerebrum controls the right side of your body. जो cerebrum की right side है वो left side को control करती है और जो left side है वो right side को control करती है. It means ये oppositely एक दूसरे को control करते हैं. So right side is going to control the left side and left side is going to control the right side. So this is your today's task. You have to learn it and write it in your notebook. Thank you.